Waiting be Christmas without Nigerian jollof rice and chicken with some touch of plantain. Tada! How it started. That's a problem my rice. So I carry pepper. Remember I said Nigerian jollof rice is not complete without pepper. So I blend my pepper. As I blend and finish, I carry my chicken water where I don't cook a day before that day. So I pour am. I turn my rice, so I turn, put all the big roti jar where I suppose put, now. As they see now, see my jollof rice, as they fresh Nigerian jollof rice. Oh my god. I cannot talk too much now. Now until you taste the food, now I ain't gonna know how it be. But first of all, we thank God we make us see from January till now. All glory to Baba God. Now I remember I said my chicken did there. I can't agree. I agree. Now I fry some small plantain. As far as on the ready now. So now I prepare my small plantain. Everything done set now. See plantain now. See my grilled chicken now. See everything as it is set. Now I see my jollof rice. Nigerian jollof rice. Okay now. So I remember those days now when we were still much younger. Before then, I don't tell my wife, help me cut some, some salad. The salad is ready. So when I go back to when we were still much younger, and I say my wife, they pack the salad for me. So when we were still much younger now, for Christmas Day, they distribute food now, show love now. That's why I remember, I say, okay, some people don't impact, they have done some great things in my life this year. And I say, man, I give back to the community. That's why they dish the food one by one. Addition, seminar, so they dish the food. And I dish the food with cheese. Okay, now, I put chicken, I put the Nigerian jollof rice, I put my plantain, I put my chicken. Everything done set. That thing said no one even enter one plate. I imagine. I don't forget to put chicken for this one. That's why I remember I carry chicken, put time, say no, chicken must enter. As I put chicken, that's why I cover Ramo. That's why I ditch one after the other, So now, come on. Christmas Day. It's very important to what is a Christmas without jollof rice and chicken? It's incomplete. Okay now, so we thank God Almighty for making it possible, from January to now. It is not by power, not by mind. Now God do, now Papa God, because J, they run out things for us. We don't see December again. As we don't see 2025 December, now so we go see 2026 December. We go see many years on it too. As for those that take part in this jollof rice, I beg, me now leave comment section though. For those who don't see I'm chop, I beg. If you know you want to chop a jollof rice, DM me. I'm ready to dish your own. Even though you don't remain again, I go make sure say I cook your own. And if you never taste Nigerian jollof rice before, enter my DM. I can't cook your own for you. Or may I tell you how you go take cook am. Say I don't show everything how I take cook am. You get some special recipe where I hide. I keep am. I don't show am for you. So come DM me, I'll show you how to go to cook your own. Nigerian jollof rice is one of the best. I don't leave for a comment section for one. I mean, they argue and there. Some people go tell me say that Cameroon jollof rice. Why some people go enter my day and tell me that Ghana jollof rice. Anyway, Nigerian jollof rice to me now still be the best. So I don't cook Nigerian jollof rice today now for Christmas Day, and my people now will enjoy them. They fit testify to waiting day that jollof rice. They fit tell you say the jollof rice is correct. Now it correct. That's why they be now on Christmas Day. Make sure you show love to family, friends, your neighbor, and make sure you do well to appreciate God for what He has done for you from January to December. It's you at all. But now Baba God, they run now, they make it easy. So we thank God for everything. Now make everything soft. So in your own little way now, learn how to appreciate God back by giving back. Okay? Learn to give. Make it a part of you of giving back in one way or the other. Because God's gonna give you life now. That way they breathe in. Some people they pay for hospital. When you go hospital, now you gonna know what they saw. Now you gonna know what they happen. Learn to give back. Learn to give thanks to God. Okay. So now so I take pack the food. At this rate, wife don't they hurry me. Say my hurry now. Say time don't go now. Wait till the pack since. Meanwhile, I want chicken. Listen to her.
I know that you're skipping that particular chicken intentionally. There's one particular chicken that you're looking at the skipping. Maybe you're doing for mommy. Mama, me God. See, now when I make comment, I want to chop chicken again. When they small thing they do, small thing they chop.
You don't want chop? Like say no one chop. I don't catch my wife now. She no gree talk anything. I tell her say make she like say she no want chop. Meanwhile, she want chop chicken, and she talk say she want hurry go deliver the food before she go come back on chop because people will want deliver and too. We don't come one person make the come assist her carry the food now. So now I'll quickly pack all the food as normal now. I pack my in-law now. You know say now make they taste Nigerian jollof rice today. May they taste the cooking of a Nigerian man also. So that's why I pack the food now. As I pack and I pack and I pack. Arrange them. Remember, jollof rice, chicken, and salad is ready. Guys, leave what you cook for Christmas for comment section. Me will know. If you don't say na jollof rice, me will know. You know, say Christmas is always complete with jollof rice, especially Nigerian jollof rice. You understand?
Merry Christmas. Puss.
The person is already.
Puss a duty.
Merry Christmas to your family.